Hello kids, today we are going to learn flower's name in English and also in Hindi. So, let's start. Astar in Hindi, Tarak Pushp. Acacia in Hindi, Babool. Blue water lily in Hindi, Neel Kamal. Balsam in Hindi, Gul Mehendi. Bleeding heart in Hindi, Rakt Ketki. Crocus in Hindi, Kesar. Kenna flower in Hindi, Devkali. Coxcomb in Hindi, Kalanga. Dahlia in Hindi, Guldaudi. Daisy in Hindi, Gulbahar. Daffodil in Hindi, Nargis. Dilonyx regia in Hindi, Gulmohar. Hibiscus in Hindi, Gudhal. Jasmine in Hindi, Chameli. Lotus in Hindi, Kamal. Lily in Hindi, Kumudni. Marigold in Hindi, Genda. Morning glory in Hindi, Mahima Phool. Night blooming jasmine in Hindi, Raat Ki Rani. Night jasmine in Hindi, Har Singar. Oleander in Hindi, Kaner. Pansy in Hindi, Ban Phool. Plumeria in Hindi, Champa. Periwinkle in Hindi, Sadabahar. Palash in Hindi, Dhak. Poppy in Hindi, Posta. Rose in Hindi, Gulab. Sunflower in Hindi, Surajmukhi. Snowdrop in Hindi, Gul Chandni. Sweet jasmine in Hindi, Juhi. Tulip in Hindi, Nalini. Touch me not in Hindi, Chui Mui. Genia in Hindi, Chinniya. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then press the like button. And also share and subscribe for more videos.